And what you can say also is like, we're going to have speed dating sessions again today.
Yeah, and mentioning our main sponsors, of course, that is Refron, our awesome Makeberry, and Fortune Jacks is right here, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Casino operator. Crypto Casino of the Year. Ito guys.
Good job done.
Good morning, everyone. We're live in Madrid. As you can see, we have people all behind me from iGaming getting ready for a run. So far, so good. It's a little warm right now, right? I mean,
you can see my nipples.
what made you make this activity right now, this early in the morning?
First of all, I like to see people suffer. We are always we're seeing the same people at the same context and getting to know them a bit outside of the same setup, the same dressing. And when you all join at the same experience, the same challenge, then by the end of the day, you connect better. That's what AffPapa does best, no?
Right now, it's a bit hard to imagine that in less than 24 hours, we're going to have everyone with us. And this is our brand new logo, by the way.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1, 2.
We got App Republic, both partners, N1 partners, Party Match Village, Banzai partners,
Yes.
7 Stars partners,
Yeah.
Join Up,
Yes.
and Royal partners.
We're getting ready for AffPapa Conference Madrid. Let's go see what the team's doing.
Oh my God! So far, I'm amazed. God! My favorite thing is Cancun so far. That's so nice. Because it's the first thing that you see and it's like, I love the vibes. Everyone's gonna love it. You guys are gonna love it, okay? I mean, it's so much bigger. And I think we're more efficient and the time is being used very productively this time.
Let's go look at the Gambler stand. I'm really excited to show you.
The Gamblist is a media portal and a B2B directory dedicated to operators and B2B providers. We cover all the topics generally about iGaming, starting from news pieces to in-depth articles, interviews, podcasts. We have just launched our podcast, the Gamblist Podcast.
So we have Bazum today here sponsoring the Padel tournament. Why Padel tournament specifically?
Instead of, the normal events, this is something that gives you connection to each other.
Every time someone in the industry mentions Padel, I'm like, that's Bazum for sure. Yeah.
I'm from AffPapa, from the sales team, and waiting for my partners. The most important thing is to bring the right people. Whoever comes, they can find relevant partners, relevant leads, relevant people to work with.
The actual conference is taking place at the Novotel Madrid Center. As you can see, we have a lot of people right now in the outdoor networking area. Let's go see what the inside looks like.
Vlad, how are you?
Oh, hey Patricia, how are you?
Amazing. I have a question for you. What are you showcasing?
We are showcasing basically our product. We are trying to show that we are using a little bit different approach in terms of affiliate marketing. I'm happy to be here.
Boom.
Hi. Boom.
We're showcasing trying to help people build data on their own, so how to visualize your data instantly. We're getting strong reaction and we just didn't expect it.
What's been your most used word of the day?
Shaving.
I need it?
You don't need it, but affiliates need help with shaving. Not that they want shaving, but they want to detect it.
We'll see you right here on the next one.
Gracias.
Aha!
Oh my. Fuego, fuego. We're trying to be serious. What was the most stressful part once we started the actual conference?
This is probably the only conference that I was not stressed.
Same. What are your plans for tonight?
To drink, network, party, have fun, and get ready for day 2.
And that was my interview with Anahi. Cut it.
We are live from iGaming Club event. This is conference day 1, and we have started the networking drinks at the iGaming Club.
We're here at the La Reserva Club, so follow me to find the magic behind this. So let's go. How would you describe the event of AffPapa so far?
We had a very busy day, starting from the panel I participated, and then a lot of meetings. And actually, we're all here very excited. Super event. Keep doing good job.
Amazing. Fantastic. I mean,
the best. We love AffPapa. We've been last year to Malaga. We did not make it to Cancun, but this year we will make it to Cancun.
We're not going to miss that, yeah.
It was very nice. I was surprised that you can put such a neat and nice looking, expo hall into hotel. And I really like the way that it was all happening at once. Each of these sections were pretty busy. So I really like that it was all happening at the same time.
You reconnect and you see each other and it's so familiar, it's so family-like. I love it.
I love the event and it's like, you come to a family, you know everyone is so friendly, so nice, and there is loud music, so that's good.
It's been a wonderful experience so far, and we've had a lovely time yesterday, lovely time today, and I'm sure we'll have lovely time tomorrow.
It's been a wonderful, wonderful event. I'm so glad they moved it to Madrid.
To be honest, this is the most cozy atmosphere ever. I like there is not much place, maybe there are not much people here, but everyone is connected and I love it.
Amazing. I think it was super organized. I think so far have been one of the most organized conferences that I have been.
And we're here on this side of the La Reserva Club with our photo booth sponsor, Makeberry. What do you think about the host?
I rate 11.5.
Amazing as well. Very eloquent. Yeah.
I mean, I love the host. Come on. I mean, I really feel like AffPapa is like at least the cousin of Casino Guru in this. Really. No, I love them.
It's fun, good vibes, and good connections. The host is like the best host you can ever find anywhere in the world, especially in the iGaming world.
Cheers! Hey! Thank you. Thank you, Mark.
We're at the Affiliate Morning Club by Yosa. It's conference day 2. We're starting the day a little slower today after last night's networking drinks.
We are showcasing our great crypto casino Fortune Jack and its success story, and you see our 2 VIP lounges here in AffPapa, and we are proud of that. I love this event because new contacts, new persons, new emotions. We consider new partnerships and new opportunities. So this is the best part, I guess, for this event.
There is Dan. Maybe we can interview you, Dan?
Yes, we're showcasing the Viking platform and aggregation. And these are my colleagues, Franz and Florian, and Kling is our partner.
What's the most used word you've been using today?
Viking!
No idea.
I have an answer. Alrighty, ladies and gents, I'm right here with the amazing dancer, yes.
First of all, our main brands, as you can see them also in the background. And besides this, also our B2B division. Well, the event was really productive for us. Yesterday was packed to 2 panels. We had multiple meetings. And we also managed to sign some agreements with new partners. Besides just signing the deals, it's also about the human interaction.
Hey.
And tonight we do the most.
Yes, we're doing like
What was the most stressful moment during the conference for you?
When the conference just started and I had no idea what to expect, if we did a good job or no, it was very stressful. But after some time, I understood that we performed really good. It was honestly great.
What would you say was your favorite stand design?
Ours.
Our? Yes. Slay. Slay.
Do you think it was worth moving from Malaga to Madrid?
Hell yeah.
I have no idea. I've never been to
yeah. Are you excited for tomorrow's awards?
Of course. Very
Macarena. 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 Ay.
Operator, sportsbook operator.
Ladies and gentlemen, time to get ready. So please welcome the founder and CEO of AffPapa,
Give it up for Patricio, who came straight out of Cancun. The one and only. Building the company, the memories to share together is all about the right people, right? In AffPapa, we feel that you have like some kind of a community. Like people love the atmosphere, they love staying with each other, they know each other and enjoy the rest of the night the best way that you can. Thank you very much. Cheers.